Hi, it's Willie Moore with E-Room Investments. I'm glad you all can join us today. We're here in Dickinson, Texas. We just purchased a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage for the low price of $3,600. I want you all to come with me, come on the inside, and I can show you exactly what we do at E-Room Investments and why we're one of the best investment companies that you can select as far as tax foreclosures in the area. So follow me and I'll show you exactly what we have planned. This property is gonna need some updating. So even though we got it at a low price, one of the things we're gonna have to do is kind of bring it to a more modern look. So we're going to tape and float all the cracks throughout the house. So sheetrock is put in its joints when you install it. It's joints where the mud sometimes has cracks. So you have to go through and tape and float and texture all those cracks throughout. This house luckily comes with a fireplace. A beautiful fireplace. More than likely won't do a whole lot to that because of the fact that it's gonna be a focal point in the living room area. We're gonna have to put the sheetrock back on these walls. It's a 4-foot cut off of each wall in order for us to install one complete sheet where there's not a whole lot of taping and floating just from patching small areas. The electrical's pretty good, so we're not gonna worry about that, but we might possibly go through and replace some of these outlets just so that it has a nice new look. Outlets are very inexpensive, and it's something that when a new renter comes in, they're gonna see it and it's gonna look really good for them. So in addition to that, the HVAC came back pretty good.